A lot of people ask how we climb trees and how we just walk up on our spikes. And these spikes are called spurs. One on the left foot, one on the right foot. And this sharp little spur here is what digs into the tree and allows us to climb up easily when we're removing a tree. Very, very handy. Can't be used for pruning, only for removal of trees. Then we have our arborist ropes. This is called our lifeline. This is one of the most important things when climbing a tree. And we have all sorts of different devices to be able to climb the rope. I myself like to use a zigzag, which is a mechanical device to hold me as I'm moving up or down the rope. This baby keeps us safe. What else have I got in my kit bag here? It doesn't get used very often as a boss, but that's why it's nice and fresh. So this is my harness, extra large for this big bopper. And off the side of my harness is my pole strap. So this is the strap that goes, I attach it around the tree and back to myself, and then I can progress up the tree as I'm moving. What else have we got in here? Pulleys. Very, very important. These ones are from Elevate Rescue, rated to about 8 tons. So we put these in the tree, attached to a sling. This one's a whoopee sling. So we'll put it around the tree somewhere, attach it in the tree. Normally we use 2 or 3 pulleys. We'll distribute the load through the tree, and then we run the rope through the pulleys and attach that rope to branches to then lower them down safely to take care of people's property and not damage anything. Oh, this one's a Prusik loop. So this is like the old school way of climbing. This little loop of rope, referred to as a Prusik loop, we put it to our lifeline and we create a knot that creates friction on the rope, and then we can move up and down that rope, and as we add tension to it, the knot will hold us in place. So it's a bit older school than what we use these days, but it's a very valuable part of an arborist kit. As you can see, there's a lot of tools and equipment that arborists require to safely climb and remove trees. And often the difference is not just the equipment, but how well people are trained in the use of the equipment. So anyone can buy this stuff. Being able to use it safely and keep yourself and people's properties safe is a completely different story.